Hey, what's up? I was just mixing and mastering a song in my studio at White Pearl Studios, but then I just figured internet is on fire with this particular song, Pardesiya, right? A lot of people think Sachin Jigar actually copied this song from maybe a song from Rahman also. So I think not. So let's figure it out with my partner in crime, Mike and Melody. Yeah, she's sitting there, Shruti. You know what? Let's just go on to her. Shruti, you know what? I got a question for you, okay? Hey,
What?
Pardesiya, right? Okay, I'm making a video. Okay, Pardesiya, right?
Okay.
People think Sachin Jigar copied this song from a Rahman song or some other song, but that's not the truth, right?
The
That's it.
that song.
Yeah, Pardesiya. So people think that. So what do you think? Let's give
No,
them,
no, no.
what it's based on. Chalo.
Okay, see, it's based on Rag Darbari. It's a Hindustani raga. We
Mm-hmm.
classical musicians also use it, right?
Correct.
It's there are so many songs that's in Bollywood based on the same raga,
Yes.
and it's the feel, it's the chalan of that particular. This is scoop of this raga that gives that feel, and all a lot of emotional songs and all those stuff are used by Bollywood.
Correct.
So I have a few
Sure, sure, sure,
examples for
sure.
you.
You got an
Let
example?
me
Okay.
start from Pardesi only.
Go ahead.
It goes परदेसिया है तेरे प्यार में जब से. Right, so that
Yeah.
pyar, that scoop
Correct.
is the main thing. And then you have आज की
रात
रात
मजा
मजा
हुस्न
हुस्न
का
का
आंखों
आंखों
से
से
लीजिए.
लीजिए.
Beautiful.
Right, and you have this first phrase of ओरे पिया है ओरे पिया. Right, and then you have हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा.
One more.
Right, we have you have this Tamil song. "Nee koorinal vaanam maarada."
Ladies and gentlemen, just to demonstrate this raga, Jai Shri Shruti hit the note which is in the sky. It was not in the scale, it was in the sky. Literally.
Okay.
There was one more popular song, I think. Did we do Aaj Ki Raat?
Yeah, we did first.
I'm so fond of that song. Anyways, okay, guys. Now we got the gist, right? So it's based on Rag Darbari,
Yeah.
right? So you'll hear a lot of these songs, which is very similar to Pardesiya. So hats off to Sachin Jigar for making such a fantabulous song. It's
absolutely.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Rahman songs are in a genre and in a class of its own,
Yeah.
like how Sachin
Yeah,
Jigar have already
iconic
said
figure,
they've said in an interview, right? So they themselves said it's how humble of all the composers.
Yeah.
Okay, right now these composers, me and you, Mike and Maria, saying bye bye. Enough.
Bye.
Bye bye.